Okay, I just got off of work. I am headed to a little place called Cyclone, which is about 45 minutes away from where I actually live, but I live 45 minutes in the other direction. I mean, I work in 45 minutes in the other direction, so it's going to take me about an hour, close to 2 hours to get to where I need to go. But we're going to go pick up a couple saws. So let's get some miles on this thing. Does anybody else feel like this? Like when you get off of work, does you feel like it's a rat race to get home? The speed limit on this 4-lane right here is 55. Nobody drives 55 on this 4-lane. I'm driving 65 just to keep up with the other cars. Oh, Lordy mercy. Yes. Oh, Lordy. I'm very happy because I bought 2 saws that I have always wanted, like really wanted. And there's another saw that I am going to go back and get. I just have to wait and get it. But I'm on my way home, trying to pay attention to the road and to you guys. But you will see when I get there. Okay, you guys ready? Look at that. Look at that. Yes, that is a P60. You know how I know? Oh, lordy. And they're actually in pretty good shape. The guy has another a Poland like this one right here, but I believe it's right around like a P41 or P42 model. But these are the 2 that I came home with. I'm happy. I've been one of these for a long time, and I tried to buy hoppers off of his, but I didn't have no money, and I got this one now. Well, yeah, I can't believe that. So next video, you guys have a wonderful day.